Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is Departmental Cost Allocation Step Method or Step Allocation. Before we start it, we have three methods: direct method, step method, and reciprocal method. The other two methods, we also have videos about it, and they are in our video description. Okay? So when we talk about departmental approach, it doesn't matter what method we are working with. We classify manufacturing departments into production and service department. This approach involves three phases. We will be working with two. Number one, trace all direct costs and allocate indirect costs to the production departments and service departments. Number two, phase two, allocate the service department costs to the production department. And number three, allocate production department costs to products. And it is the same as any other job costing method, so we will not be working with that. And departmental approach, we need an Excel file. And as you already know, if you are a regular here, uh, and if you are a new one, I want to tell you that all our Excel files, they are free, and the link to download it is in our video description. So we have here two cost drivers, labor hours and machine hours, because we have two untraced manufacturing overhead, indirect labor and indirect materials. And the direct costs, they are traced to our services and production departments. So phase one, let's allocate these costs here to our service and production department. And by the way, if you want to know the direct method, it is already here. So you can compare it. Okay. And they have the same numbers. Okay. So it's easier to compare. So here, direct labor hours, let's link it. And our total is the sum of our hours, and here also the sum of our hours. However, it's much easier if we convert these numbers into percentage. So the percentage, 5,500 divided by total, and let's fix it. 14 and copy and paste, we have the 100%. Machine hours, let's link it with our total. It matches here with our total, so we are good. And we will be doing the same percentage. And this phase one is the same for the three approach or three methods. Okay. Now let's do it. Direct costs. Direct costs, they are already traced, so we have no problem. And let's do our total here. And let's copy and paste this formula. Indirect labor. The indirect labor here, let's fix it. Times the percentage. What is the cost driver for indirect labor? Direct labor hours. So with this percentage, and here we copy and paste, and we have the same number here. So each matches this number with this number here. So we are good because we are not reducing or increasing our costs. We are only allocating them. Indirect materials, the same, 18,000 times the percentage, each percentage here. And then 18,000, that's in blue here, 18,000 here, it matches. And our total is the direct cost plus our other costs here. And then we have the same 152 here. And we will have the same 152 as our total as well. Okay, so our total here must be the same 152. Okay, so our step method, what do we do? How do we do that? First of all, we will allocate service one to the other service departments and production department. After that, so step one, why step method? service 1, and then service 2, service 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and so on. And then later, service 2 to other departments. So service 1, they work to the remaining departments. 40% of the time for service 2, 28 for production 1, 32 for production 2. So the total is 100%. And the service percentage. Uh, whoa, open place here. Now it's the same as you have. It is will be the same number because we have the same percentage here. So, okay, but to make our method in some kind of standard, so we do the same. Allocation amount, this service 1, let's fix it, times our percentage. So this 18 here, 7,000 will be allocated to service 1, 5,000 to production 1, 5,000 to production 2. And our total here, if we sum them, it will be 18,391. That is the same as this 18,391. So we're good. Now, service 2, 25% of the time for production 1, 55 for production 2, 80. Why not 100? Because 20% of the time is allocated or should be allocated to service 1. However, we cannot go service 1, service 2, and then service 2 to service 1. It is the reciprocal method. It is another video. So we just ignore the service 1. And now that makes sense, the service percentage, 25 divided by 80, because we need the 100% base to allocate our numbers. And then allocation amount, service 2, however, let's fix it, plus the additional cost that service 2 receive from service 1. And now times the 31%. And then let's do it. And how do we know if this 17 here is right? We do here service 2 total cost plus the service 2 how much cost they received from service 1. So here they are good. And now we have 2 costs for production departments, and then plus phase 1 plus this 59 here, that is their costs. And then our total. This total, it will not match with any number. And the total cost for production departments, cost received from service 1 plus cost received from service 2 plus the cost from phase 1. 69 plus 82. And here we can do the same math. Whoops. Let's do our math here. 152. And then this number, it doesn't make sense to have it. Okay, so 152, 152, 152, it is absolutely right. Okay, guys, so that's it. That is the step method. Not so easy as the direct method, but not so hard as well. And thank you so much. If you have questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarping@gmail.com. Subscribe our channel and like our Facebook page, Accounting Hub by Dr. Scarping, and also like this video. Have a very nice day and God bless you.